So this happened. I had had this glue up sitting around for a few weeks. I had successfully gotten the outside turned and sanded, got it just the way I wanted. Then I noticed this section here, there was just the slightest little gap. It appears that the adhesion during the glue up had not been complete, and so I stopped at that point and I filled the gap and let it set for a couple of days. Thought that I got it to the point I could continue, and actually I got the inside of the bowl turned down to where I wanted it. But then when I started the sanding, that's when it kind of fell apart. I don't know exactly what caught, but during the sanding, this thing just blew apart. This piece stayed on the lathe. This piece came flying off, hit me with tremendous force, hit me in the left arm, left side of the chest. I have a very large bandage across my chest here. Looks like I'm going to be out of commission for a little bit. But I guess I can still probably glue this together and just do some hand sanding and so forth, and hopefully, you know, I'll still have a decent thing, a decent bowl. But I think I'm going to take a break from the lathe for a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to be taking a break altogether and let everything heal up. And so I just want everyone to be safe in their shop. Take care. You have a great day.